In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Peacock TV on any smart TV. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So what you want to do is simply make sure that your TV is compatible with the Peacock app. Also, the Peacock app is only available to such certain regions. So let's just search here is and as you can see, if Peacock TV is not available in yours, it's only available for the US, Sky and Now subscribers, the UK, Germany, Austria, Switzerland, Ireland, and Italy. So if you're not living among these countries, unfortunately, you cannot access Peacock TV. But if you are, you can simply just visit your TV's app section and do a search for Peacock. So if necessary, download and install the app, open Peacock, choose the appropriate button, either to sign up or sign in, depending on whether you have a Peacock account yet. Now just simply set up your Peacock account and you're good to go. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.